Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're going to dive into one of the most important yet often overlooked items for your vehicle, the llezza 120 pieces mini fuse kit. If you're looking for the best car fuses for your RV, automotive, truck, motorcycle, or even your boat, this kit is a game changer. The llezza fuse kit includes an assortment of mini fuses ranging from 2A all the way up to 35A. Whether you're dealing with small electrical issues or larger ones, this kit has you covered with 12 fuses of each rating. It's the perfect way to ensure that you have the right fuse on hand when you need it most. What sets this fuse kit apart is the thoughtful design. Each fuse is color-coded for easy identification, and the amperage is clearly engraved on the top, so you'll never have to guess which fuse to use. The transparent housing allows for quick visual inspection, saving you time when you're in a pinch. And if you ever need to replace a fuse, the kit comes with a handy fuse puller to make the process even smoother. Not only are these fuses incredibly easy to identify and replace, but they're also built to last. Made from high-quality zinc alloy, these fuses are corrosion-resistant and designed to perform optimally even in tough conditions. This means you'll get reliable protection for your vehicle's electrical systems, helping to prevent short circuits and overloads that could cause serious damage. The kit's compact and durable storage box is another standout feature. It's not just for storage. The box is designed with labeled compartments that correspond to each fuse type, making it incredibly easy to stay organized. Plus, it features a secure locking mechanism to keep everything in place, even if you're on the go. What's more, this fuse kit is versatile. It's suitable for a wide range of applications, including RVs, motorcycles, campers, trucks, SUVs, and more. Whether you're out on the road or tackling a DIY electrical project, you can trust that these fuses will keep everything running smoothly. In conclusion, the llezza 120 pieces mini fuse kit is an absolute must-have for anyone who owns a vehicle or electrical equipment that requires reliable protection. With its high-quality materials, easy identification, and comprehensive assortment of fuses, this kit offers everything you need to stay prepared for any electrical issue. Make sure to grab yours today, and you'll never have to worry about being without the right fuse again. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to like and subscribe for more reviews of the best products out there.